All right. Hello, intermediate, middle slash high ballet and ballet 8. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing wonderful. So I'm combining your guys' classes because you're basically working on the same thing. Um, except ballet 8, you're stuck. I'm gonna say ballet 8, you do this, and intermediate, middle slash high, you try this during some of the parts. Like this is like center floor work because we already have a 55-minute bar. And yeah, you guys get to choose. Well, don't choose. You guys have to try all of these in week 2, but you get to like do half of the bar. So anyway, let's get started. The first thing that we'll be working on is our center tendu. So you're out in center. Right foot is in front. I'm not mirroring because I'm tired. Arms are out in second and you're facing, well, I'll go ahead and mirror you guys because I'll be confused regardless. Just know that you have, if one side, you're doing the other. Anyway, here you go, and I will do it with you. You have tendu, tendu, tendu to the side. Now the left foot is in front, tendu that to the side and back. And you do it again. Front, front, side, side. As you do the side motion, as you do the side tendu, you're gonna look away slightly from the leg that's moving, away. And you do it again. Front, front, to the side, to the side. You're gonna turn and face à la Catherine Desmonts, which is basically the front. From here, if you go to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going back to the corner that you were, you go to the front, 4, 2, side, back. Reverse it. Front, 4, 2 with the other foot, side, back. And à la Catherine Desmonts, side, side, chasse, close back, side, side, chasse, close back, and turn. Now you're on the other side. So tendu, tendu, to the side, and tendu, tendu, to the side, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, and front. 4, 2, to the side, close back. Front, 4, 2, with the other foot. You go side, side, chasse, close back. And side, side, chasse, finish. That's about it. Let's do this together, shall we? With music. What's it? Oops, my thing is on. Hold on.
Power on.
Here we go.
Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth connected.
Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Right. Next up will be balances. Where's the music at? All right, awesome. So we have left, right foot is in the back. Going to the right, balance, 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 balance. So we just did to the side, to the back, to the side, to the front. Making sense? Then we have balance, attitude, turn, balance, attitude, turn, balance, attitude, turn, down, and finish. Other side, balance, 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 back, right, front, and balance, attitude, balance, attitude, balance. You can try for a double this time, and close. And then that's it. Let's try it with music, shall we? 6, 7, 8. Say side, back, side, front. Balance, attitude, balance, attitude. Try for a double. Down, back. Try for a double. Good job. Wasn't so bad. Everyone's favorite, assemble. These are very simple. Right, right foot back. You're going to slide the foot through first position and do an assemble. Assemble. 1, 2, 3. Let me back up one more time. So, right foot is back. Slide it through. You have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. From there, you just do a simple changement, and then you do it to the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Changement, you do it again, left. Changement, do it again to the right, or whichever way you're supposed to go. You're supposed to go right first and left. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Changement. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Changement. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Backing up for you guys. There. Good job. All right, next up, we have our sautes. Y'all know me, I love a good saute, so will it get crazy? Who knows? We'll see. And I love them because I could just make it up on the spot. So how this exercise will go, you start in first position, you do 4 sautes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and jump into second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jumping into fifth, right foot in front. You're gonna do 4 changements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump out, échappé, jump out, échappé. Back to first, 2, 3, 4, and second, 2, 3, 4, and left foot is in front. Échappé, échappé. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump to second, 2, 3, 4. Fifth, changement, changement, changement. Stay there. You're gonna go jeté, 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 assemblé. And then you do it again. Saute, saute, saute first, 2, second, changement, 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 awesome. Jeté, 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 assemblé. Yay! Let's do this. Make sure you breathe. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. Fifth. Échappé, échappé. Changement, 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 changement. Échappé, échappé. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Échappé, jeté, assemblé. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. Changement. 2, 3, 4. Échappé, assemblé. Make sure you breathe, grab some water if you need to. Last one, exercise that we'll be doing is pirouettes, because we need to work on those. So, à la quatrième devant, arms are in second. We go tendu to the front, tendu to the side, tendu to the back, chassé, chassé, and close, prep, plie, single, pirouette, fifth position, down. Left side now, tendu, tendu, to the back, chassé, chassé, close in fifth, plie, pirouette. From there, we have tendu, 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 tendu. Turn to the corner. 1, 2, chassé, chassé, chassé. Prep in fourth position. Yes, this is pirouette to the left. To the left. I've given up at this point for mirroring. And you're gonna try a double. 1, 2, down, close, tendu, 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 tendu. Wait, hold on. Let me look at my notes real quick. Or actually, let me try it with music real quick. That will probably help. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, I lied. So, I was correct in the beginning. Tendu, tendu, tendu. Chassé, chassé, close, fifth position, pirouette, other side, left, tendu, 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 chassé, chassé front, close, fifth position, plie, pirouette. From here, you're going to go front, side, side, side. Prep, rond de jambe, plie, double, down, front, side, side, close, prep, rond de jambe, double, down. Then you do it to the front, again, left foot is in front now, and you reverse it. Front, side, back, chassé, chassé, close, pirouette, down and first, side, back, chasse, chasse, close, plie, pirouette. Facing the corner, front, side, side, prep, top, rond de jambe, back, plie, double, and front, side, side, prep, rond de jambe, around, turn, double, and finish. Ballet 8, when you do the tendus at the very beginning, or like just going into encore with the chasse, chasse, I want you to do a single, unless you feel like doing doubles, that's fine to you. Intermediate ballet, just do a single for right now. When we go into the front, side, side, and close, rond de jambe, ballet 8, attempt either a double or a triple. Intermediate, just do a double. And then reverse it, single or double. All right, let's try this with music. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, you can just watch me. I will try reversing it. Right foot in front. Awesome job, you guys. That's it for class. That's all I have for you. For your homework, well, first, let me say this. In the class comments, I would like for you guys to say which of one of these exercises was your favorite down below in the class comment section. That way, I know that you guys are here and you're participating in the class. So make sure you're choosing one of the 5 combination floor combos that I gave you: center tendus, balances, assemblées, sautes, or pirouettes. And then have fun recording yourself, because that's what I would like for you guys to do. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.